This is an energetic transmission from the Pleiadian star mothers to Oribel Joy Divine, given on December 16, Singapore. Start of transmission.
Greetings, my children. We are your Pleiadian star mothers. We come to you today with good news. You have placed both feet in the fifth dimension. You have worked hard in your struggle when you straddled both worlds of the third and fourth dimensions. And now you are on the fifth. You realize you take a great conscious awareness to do this. Your determination is highly commendable. Continue with this momentum. Stay in the present and continue living with the vision of your new life on the new earth. Continue with your positive outlook, optimistic mindset, great faith in all that is. Continue with your new healthy habits, continue with your higher perspective on all things that are happening around you. When you hold that higher perspective, you are supporting humanity and your planet to vibrate at a higher frequency. Every single one of you who are making a conscious effort and using your energies daily to create a more positive experience are to be commended with, job well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. We are clapping and cheering you on. You are on a positive momentum. The universe supports you, every single one of you who are holding a positive vision for humanity and the planet. You have discovered in your struggle to break free from the shackles of lower consciousness what it takes to break through the wall of fear, of conditioning, of limitation, of self-doubt, of low self-worth, of lack. And you have experienced personally the victory over outer conditions. You have been wise in listening to your inner wisdom. You are using the new energies to your advantage. We say, go. Continue with this momentum as you are making great progress, not just for yourself, but also for the human race. Every positive change you make, and new experiences you encounter affects the all. You are all connected in consciousness. Be aware and conscious of this 24/7. This is how you shall keep moving in the direction of the divine plan for your planet. We salute you, every single one of you, for your presence on this physical plane. Brave, courageous, victorious. This is who you are. We love you. We are your Pleiadian star mothers. We bid you farewell for now.
End of transmission. The following is a comment from Oribel.
I was smiling as I received this energetic transmission just now. I was writing furiously on the pages of my notebook, and now I'm recording for this platform. I look forward each time to this experience, not just with the Pleiadian star mothers, the other star beings like the Andromedans, Antares, the Apunian, and the Watchers. I appreciate more and more each time these beings of light who have chosen to assist and support humanity in elevating our consciousness through their messages of love, hope, encouragement, and great wisdom. And I so appreciate this platform for the opportunity to share their messages. And to you, dear listeners, for your soul journey. No matter where you are on your path, know that it is appropriate and you have support from all corners of your existence. So onward we move, stay present and focus on the task at hand. Break through all other standing walls of low vibrational frequency, because you are far stronger and more powerful than those illusionary walls or the veil of illusion. We are co-creators of our future because we don't create alone. Love and blessings. I'm Oribel, the new Lemurian.